everything you're gonna need for your first year dorm. A first year college student crafted this list of essential dorm room things that you were gonna need in your life. What I got was a bed topper to go on top of my comforter. It makes my bed so much better. Storage is huge. I crafted my bed all the way up to the top. I have shelves under there, some shelving units, optional, but a weighted blanket helps me sleep so much better. And if you're propping your bed up really high, I really recommend a bed skirt. In my dorm, I actually have a little kitchenette. It's like stovetop that doesn't have an open flame is so useful. Pots and pans for the stovetop, cutlery, cooking utensils, get knives, a strainer, a toaster. Get yourself a toaster, drying mat, a cutting board. You need dish towels. At the beginning of the year, I had a Brita. I hated it. I got this one off of Amazon and it's so much better. There's detergent and stain remover. You need a laundry bag. There's a basket or an actual laundry bag because you would use it. You need a plunger. I don't have a vacuum, but I use my friends all the time. Get yourself a big garbage. You can't light candles. So I have a candle warmer, which I absolutely love. Get yourself a shower curtain that has lemons on it. It's really cute. Towels. Also, you're gonna need hangers, a vanity mirror with lights on it. I totally recommend bringing plants. Storage. You need so much storage. Get yourself a good area rug. You really want slippers if you're walking around residence. Get yourself a speaker, an ottoman. It's so helpful. I use mine as both a storage cube to put stuff in, also a step stool, a spot for people to sit. Get yourself an outlet tower, man hooks, and good quality ones too. Includes my list. As somebody who has gone through this process of moving into somewhere new, trying to get settled and also be practical, but also make you feel like home.